Of thegrio.com and an MSNBC contributor. Joy, good morning. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Mara. Good morning.
Now, you covered the story extensively down in Florida last year. Tell us, where does the legal case stand today, and where is George Zimmerman?
Well, the case at this moment is awaiting a stand your ground hearing. Essentially, Zimmerman's attorney, Mark O'Mara, is going to seek an immunity hearing for his client. Approximately April 22nd is when we're looking at now. If they're successful, the case would be essentially dismissed by the judge. If they're not, we'd go to trial on June 10th. As for where Zimmerman is, I actually spoke with his attorney just yesterday evening, and all he would say was that Zimmerman is not in Sanford, but he is somewhere in Seminole County, Florida.
Now, the case in April is essentially about the Stand Your Ground law. Over the last year, have Florida lawmakers reevaluated that law?
Well, they reevaluated it. The governor of Florida put together a task force to look at the law and see if there are any changes that needed to be made. And essentially, the task force disbanded without making essentially any changes. Florida's Stand Your Ground law is very much fixed. It has a constituency. There are a lot of votes for it. It passed almost unanimously the first time. So it doesn't look like so far, at least, there have been any substantive changes. But there are, still there are Democrats and there are others that are hoping to make changes. But so far, nothing has changed.
And what have we heard from Trayvon's parents? They were so outspoken in the early days of this case. What have they said leading up to this somber anniversary?
Well, it's obviously a difficult anniversary. I did interview Trayvon Martin's mother on what would have been his birthday. And look, they are extremely somber, obviously. This is a very difficult day for them. She said that this would be the most difficult day besides the birthday. But they're trying to channel what's happened into a new foundation that the mother has started, where she's trying to help other mothers of children who've been killed. They're hoping that this case can cause people to reflect on the Stand Your Ground law, to take a second look at laws like this around the country. And they've tried to at least turn it into a positive in terms of speaking out about things that they care about regarding, just gun crime and victims of murder. So it's difficult, but that's what they're trying to do, and they've leaned very heavily on their faith.
All right, Joyanne Reed, thank you so much for your perspective. A lot of events taking place around this anniversary today.